Hello and welcome to this tutorial. In this tutorial, I will be telling you about the SQL function. Those are starting from T and some up from U. And here I have around 7-8 functions that I'm discussing about. And the first function from T, that's trim. And trim has two more functions, that is trim leading and trim trailing. Trim function is used to remove the spaces or letter or digit, whatever you define from the specified string. Like here in this case, I have the example of trim A from this string. So if I execute this, you can see this the letter A has been removed from both sides. Since I have not mentioned anything trailing or trim or leading, that is the reason. Now I'm going to use the function called leading. In this case, so those are leading A will be removed. You can see it. Now I will execute the next one, the trailing A. So you can see the result. So it is removed the A from the trailing position. Now coming to the next function called toDate. The toDate is to convert the date type into the date data type. Let me just execute this. So this is showing as per the system definition how the system is configured. Now coming to the toDates is converting the date field into the above data type. Above data type meaning that you can see that it will be showing like this, not like the previous one. Now coming to the next one, the int, to int or to integer is same. So here in this case it converts the value into integer data type. And here if you have a decimal, then it does not take the mantissa, like it would be showing only 10. The decimal part, those will will not be considered here. Coming to the next one, the to envarchar. So it converts. It has a benefit like you can modify the output value. Suppose I am converting toDate into envarchar with a modified version of this, like YYMMDD. Now coming to the next one, to time. So it converts this value into time data type. Like here you can see as per the definition. Now coming to the next one is the to timestamp. So it converts their string into the timestamp variable. Like here it is. Now coming to the next one, the U case. U case or L case is opposite one. So it's uppercase. So whatever you have a string, it just makes it uppercase. Similarly, you can use upper and opposite lower, and U case and L case, both are same. Now coming to the U minus. U minus used to remove the minus from this string. Like if I execute the minus 765, then it will remove the minus value and it will just show this 765. The last one of this tutorial is the Unicode. Unicode used to show the ASCII value for your whatever the letters or digits you put. Like here is for the A, it's corresponding 65 will be showing in this result. This is all about this tutorial. I hope you have understood some of the basic functions from T and U. And if you have any question regarding this tutorial, or if you want to know more about any topic, please comment below. I will be happy to answer those. Thank you.